Hey everyone! Welcome to GK Learn Library, where every video brings you something new, exciting, and worth your time. Today's topic is Indian Polity Part 2. Let's start. Question number 1. Which article of the Constitution defines the term state? Correct answer B. Article 12. Article 12 defines state for fundamental rights, including government bodies, parliament, state legislatures, and authorities under government control. Next question. Which article deals with laws inconsistent with fundamental rights? Correct answer B. Article 13. It declares that laws violating fundamental rights are void to the extent of inconsistency. Next question. Which writ is issued to release a person unlawfully detained? Correct answer C. Habeas corpus. It means produce the body and ensures protection against illegal detention. Next question. Which writ directs a public authority to perform its duty? Correct answer A. Mandamus. It commands a public official or authority to perform a legal duty. Next question. Which article guarantees freedom of speech and expression? Correct answer B. Article 19, 1A. It provides the right to freedom of speech and expression, subject to reasonable restrictions. Next question. Reasonable restrictions on fundamental rights are imposed by? Correct answer C. Legislature. Parliament or state legislatures impose restrictions, which are subject to judicial review. Next question. Which article provides protection against arrest and detention? Correct answer C. Article 22. It provides safeguards like the right to be informed of grounds of arrest and to consult a lawyer. Next question. Which article abolishes untouchability? Correct answer C. Article 17. It abolishes untouchability and makes its practice punishable. Next question. Which article abolishes titles? Correct answer B. Article 18. It prohibits titles except military and academic distinctions. Next question. Which article deals with protection in respect of conviction for offences? Correct answer A. Article 20. It provides protection against ex post facto laws, double jeopardy, and self-incrimination. Next question. Preventive detention laws are related to? Correct answer C. Article 22. Article 22 allows preventive detention with safeguards. Next question. Which article prohibits trafficking and forced labor? Correct answer C. Article 23. It bans human trafficking, begar, and forced labor. Next question. Which article prohibits child labor in hazardous jobs? Correct answer B. Article 24. It prohibits employment of children below 14 years in hazardous occupations. Next question. Freedom of religion is covered under which articles? Correct answer C. 25 to 28. These articles ensure freedom of religion, subject to public order, morality, and health. Next question. Which article gives freedom to manage religious affairs? Correct answer B. Article 26. It allows religious denominations to manage their own affairs. Next question. Which article prohibits religious taxes? Correct answer C. Article 27. It prohibits forcing citizens to pay taxes for promotion of any religion. Next question. Which article deals with cultural and educational rights? Correct answer B. 29 to 30. These protect rights of minorities to preserve culture and establish institutions. Next question: which article provides minorities the right to establish educational institutions? Correct answer C. Article 30. It protects minority educational institutions from discrimination. Next question: which article deals with right to education? Correct answer B. Article 21A. Added by the 86th Amendment, it provides free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14 years. Next question: which article empowers Parliament to amend the Constitution? Correct answer B. Article 368. It lays down the procedure for constitutional amendment. Next question: judicial review in India is based on which principle? Correct answer C. Supremacy of Constitution. Courts can invalidate laws violating the Constitution. Next question: which case established basic structure doctrine? Correct answer B. Keswananda Bharti case. The Supreme Court ruled Parliament cannot alter the basic structure of the Constitution. Next question: which article deals with President's rule? Correct answer B. Article 356. It allows imposition of President's rule in states. Next question: financial emergency is declared under? Correct answer C. Article 360. It deals with financial instability of the country. Next question: money bill can be introduced only in? Correct answer B. Lok Sabha. Only Lok Sabha has the power to introduce money bills. Next question: who certifies a bill as a money bill? Correct answer C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. The Speaker's decision is final. Next question: Rajya Sabha can delay a money bill for? Correct answer C. 14 days. After 14 days, it is deemed passed whether or not Rajya Sabha approves. Next question: joint sitting of Parliament is presided over by? Correct answer C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Speaker presides, in absence, Deputy Speaker. Next question: which article deals with interstate council? Correct answer A. Article 263. It provides for coordination between states and the center. Final question: this one decides the winners. Only the fastest 5 correct answers in the comments will be featured in the next video. Comment your answer right now: A, B, C or D. Which body recommends distribution of taxes between center and states? Correct answer B. Finance Commission. Established under Article 280, it recommends tax distribution. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more updates.